Student, today we have discussing three-phase system star and delta connection and the relation between line current, line voltage and phase voltage. Three branch of electrical network can be connected in number of form, but most common among them in either star or in delta form. In delta connection, three branches are connected that they from closed loop, that they are mesh connected. As these three branches are connected nose to a tail, they form of other hand when either terminal of three branch are connected to a common point to from a Y-like pattern is known as a star connection. But these star and delta connection can be transformed from one form to other. From simplifying complex network, it is often required delta to star or star to delta transformation. This is the star connected load. Relationship between line current and phase current, line voltage and phase voltage. There is the VRY, VBR or VYB. This is the line voltage denoted by VL. IR, IB and IY. This is the line current. IBN, IRN or IYN. This is the phase current. VRN, VYN, VBN. This is the phase voltage. This is the we have discussing about line current, phase current. We have also discussing. Now we have applying KVL between the line R and Y. Then VRY minus VRN plus VYN equals to 0. Applying the KVL similarly Y and B and B and R. Magnitude of VRY. Taking the magnitude of VRY, VRN, VYN to VRN, VYN cos 60 degree. This magnitude we have identified using a phasor diagram. Then putting these voltage, the relation between phase voltage and line voltage is the phase voltage equals to VL upon root 3. This is the phasor diagram. We have seen RY and B. Relationship between line voltage and phase voltage in a delta connection. Simply we have indicating in a diagram. Clearly you have seen. Relationship between line current and line voltage in a delta are showing. Applying, we have applying KVL and KCL. Applying KCL at node R, Y and B. In a delta star connection we have applying the KVL, but in a delta connection we have applying the KCL. KCL apply at node R, then IR plus BR equals to IRY, IR equals to IRY minus IBR. Similarly we have applying the KCL at node Y and node B. Vector diagram means phasor diagram. This is the phasor diagram. Phasor diagram obtain always between phase quantity, not a line quantity. In case of delta, phase voltage and line voltage always equal. In case of star, phase current and line current is always equal. In delta connection, phase current equals to IL upon root 3. Thank you, student.